Good morning, happy Sunday, bring a trailer. Someone asked for a cold start video on the G550. So I figured we could go ahead and do that. Engine's nice and cold, hasn't been driven since last Friday. Go ahead and do a cold start. As some of you may know, the G550 went to a sport exhaust starting in 2009. It has a great rumble, sounds like a G55 or a G63, but just has kind of a perfect note there. The previous generation G500 was totally silent with zero exhaust sound. And we'll go ahead and combine this video. Someone wanted to see it idling. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck bidding. Hey, contact seller if I can be of any assistance. There will be additional videos, driving, locker demonstration, and a few others. Thanks again.